Let's explore how to use the event accordion on the budgeter page of Toolkit.law. Start by selecting the Tools section, then open the budgeter page. Click on the event accordion title bar to access this resource. You'll find entry fields for key event expenses such as audio or video equipment, beverages, catering, decorations, entertainment, marketing, miscellaneous costs, and the venue. Simply enter the values for each category, and the tool will automatically calculate the total event cost for you. No spreadsheets or manual formulas required. This helps you plan professional events, seminars, or conferences with complete financial clarity. Use the download icon to save your budget for records, the share icon to collaborate with colleagues, the recycle icon to reset your data, and the undo icon to make quick corrections. You can also connect your entries directly to Toolkit.law's productivity suites for a more integrated financial workflow. Whether you're organizing a legal seminar, networking reception, or firm event, the event accordion streamlines the budgeting process and ensures every expense is accounted for accurately, efficiently, and in real time. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's event accordion.